Federal Reserve hiking interest rates by 3/4 of a percentage point, bringing the funds rate now to a range of 2.25% to 2.5%. The Federal Reserve making plain and saying that ongoing increases in the target range will be appropriate in the months ahead. The committee is on track as well to continue reducing its balance sheet. It's at a reduced rate right now, $47.5 billion, en route to increasing that by to $95 billion a month in the month of September. The Fed downgraded the assessment of the economy, saying it sees softening spending and production out there. It had been more upbeat in the prior report. It still, though, sees robust job gains and a low unemployment rate, but it also sees elevated inflation, notes a series of sources from that inflation, supply-demand imbalances, higher food and energy prices, and broader price pressures as well. Mentioning, of course, the Ukraine war as a source of inflation, but taking out the idea of the China lockdowns continuing to increase inflation. So that's maybe a source of potential optimism there. And finally, it was unanimous. Esther George, who had dissented last time wanting 50, did not dissent this time. A unanimous decision by the Federal Reserve to hike interest rates by 75 basis points. Tyler?